If you like the video, please thumbs up. You'll find all links in description. Being a trader is often complicated and tedious. Between analyzing, studying the different markets, and the multitudes of tutorials that can be found on the net, whether novice or experienced, it is sometimes difficult to find a balance in this locomotive that is trading. And sometimes, even that is not enough to succeed in making a financial supplement or even a main source of income. So, who are we? Acemon is a trading company using machine learning. If you do not know what machine learning is, I invite you to do some research in order to understand how it works. So this is in order to facilitate the taking of a position on the various stock markets. With more than 6 years of R&D, today we offer you a unique solution. Whether you are an experienced trader or new to this field, you need to use your skills to study the market and potentially take a step. Acemon offers you a simple signal alerting solution. As I said, this is a simple solution on our Discord server. You will receive real-time signals from our various robots, offering a return on total position of more than 80%. As you can see, several channels are available. Select one in order to see the signals appears in real time. Unselected, let yourself be guided by the signals to take position in the market. And that's it. The app has been designed to be that easy to use. You just have to use your usual trading platform to take position. I hope you liked the video. Let you join us on Discord to be part of it. Thank you. See you soon.